So, welcome to Central University of Haryana. I am Alekha Sachidanand. Today, we could see one of the important segment of this university, that is our library. And physically, we will visit the library of Central University of Haryana. And today, in this journey, Mr. Naresh Kumar will help us, who is Assistant Librarian of Central University of Haryana. He will help you to guide you how to access content, books, and e-materials from University Library. You could take the help of lift to go to the library, which is at third floor, and here you could keep all your bags, mobile phones, and any accessory you have you could keep here. So let's meet with Mr. Naresh Kumar, assistant librarian.
This is the main entrance of the library. So here we have the property counter, then we have safeguarding our security guard. So if we, without mask, nobody is allowed in the library. Their hands are being sanitized. And here we have a compact look of the whole collection of the library.
Yes, so more than 48,000 books are there, and also you have e-journals.
Right. So this is the reference section of the library.
Yes. It
So
means what kind of book they could get?
Actually, these are all dictionaries, encyclopedias, and handbooks of all subjects.
Okay.
So here you can see the list. So these are some of the. We have the thesis.
For any kind of research, definitely this
Yes.
section is important for
Right.
references.
So these are the dissertations and thesis, MPhil and PhD thesis we have.
Yes.
Again, we have a collection of the reports of the university, and then the main Swami handbooks, which are mostly used by the administrators. So we have all of them. So here you can see all sort of encyclopedias. Okay. So you can see the Bollywood saga, that's for journalism. Then all sort of encyclopedias we have on different subjects in different languages, English, Hindi.
Mostly reference books are
Yes. These books cannot be issued
but they could access inside the campus or inside the library.
inside the library.
And they could take it to the reading room also.
Right. So basically what they do, they can sit here.
Yes.
They can sit here and they can refer the books.
Okay, they have to read inside this room.
Right. Or they can take it out to this side if they want. So this is our new arrival. All new books are kept here so that students can know that these are the newly arrived books.
And obviously they will tempted to have this book.
Right. So these are the plans, the layout plan of particular area. We have 6 stack areas. So this is second one. This is basically for social sciences. There we have the stack area number 5 for languages, particularly Hindi.
Yes. Circulation service.
Yes, this is the circulation counter because the students are touching hand to books. So again they need to sanitize their hands, and we will have a look.
आप बता सकते हैं आपका क्या कुछ काम रहता है यहाँ पर, स्टूडेंट किस तरह की काम करते हैं इस
इसमें नहीं आ रहा सर। नमस्कार। इसमें है ना सर, हम ई ग्रंथालय यूज लेते हैं NIC का सर।
हाँ।
इसमें सर इशू किया जाता है UG स्टूडेंट को सर 15 डेज और PhD स्टूडेंट 1 मंथ और फैकल्टी को 6 मंथ के लिए इशू किया जाता है। और यहाँ पे कोई भी क्यूरी होती है तो स्टूडेंट की सोल्यूशन किया जाता है।
डेफिनेटली तो बेसिकली ये इशू सेक्शन है जहाँ पर कोई भी किताब लेंगे तो यहीं से आपको गुजर के जाना पड़ेगा.
So now students can see their account, the number of books they are being issued.
ओके. ये फैसिलिटी यही है कि बच्चे भी जान सकते हैं कि मेरे को कौन सी किताब इशू हो रहा है और उसके साथ साथ मेरे एंड कोई फी है या फाइन है
फाइन
क्या कुछ
है या
है,
नहीं है वो बिल्कुल चेक कर सकते हैं.
पूरा ट्रांसपेरेंसी और क्लैरिटी को मेंटेन किया.
Right, and they are being issued with the slip
यस.
of that this book is being issued to him. They get the message as well as email that this book has been returned or issued
थैंक यू.
under his name. These are OPEX. Students can check as
They
now.
can check what kind of books are available for them.
Yes. If they don't have their mobiles.
Yes.
Because otherwise they can check it on mobile as well. So this is the stack area number 4. It has computer science, history, geography.
And detail what
Arts.
kind of book are there in this chart
Yes.
they could
So it's
Very
very easy for them to just see here and then they go inside.
so here you could see completely in a managed way everything is available. Any one student could enter inside it. First of all they have to check in the system
Yes.
whether it is available or not. Again they physically able to identify their book and go for the issue.
Right. This is our science section. So physics, chemistry, biology. In biology, we have 4 departments, as we know: biotechnology, biochemistry, nutrition biology. All books related to those subjects are available here. And the whole library.
This table only to verify their book or for what purpose? They can read here also.
Yes, for 10-15 minutes. If there is no more students.
Let's have a look what kind of books are available. Here, interesting quote: "A book is a dream that you hold and in your hand." Definitely, dream could be in your hand if you have book. So in the campus, in the library corridor, you could find so many inspiring fact and lines which induce you to read more and gain more knowledge.
And you can see those flags. We have flags over 104 countries. So the students need to identify which country's flag it is, so they can increase their knowledge. So here we have this Hindi section. All the books related to Hindi. are
Dedicated section. It's a great step by Central University of Haryana. A dedicated section only for Hindi books, Hindi literatures.
Here also we have got
So many books.
so little
So that definitely anyone can visualize. Anyone could see what the amount of book available in this campus, in this library, and definitely in our life it's quite difficult to read everything.
Yes. So this is tag area number 6.
And this is fully AC everywhere.
Yes, the whole library is air conditioned, fully Wi-Fi, and you can see the views.
Wow. They could see the beauty and the nature. Complete green and with the book. Okay. Definitely it will be applicable that there are so many things to learn and we have limited time. It's interesting fact. You could say this is a new university. Still, we have lot of things to learn and read.
And this is our screen which shows all sort of facilities and services our library offers.
And this display also in all the library have this kind of display
Yes,
where they
yes.
could know
Yes, we have it.
the feature provided by this library.
Right. So this is our School of Education library.
One section is dedicated for School of Education.
Yes. So School of Education has around 3,000 books. It has physical education as well as main education.
And students from School of Education, they can read here.
Yes.
I think only one school where they could have this kind of facilities in department like this.
No. For School of Engineering and Technology we have separate library. School of Education we have its separate library. School of Law we have a separate library. And we also have Swami Dayanand Saraswati Chair Library on the second floor.
So it means we are providing different platform or different ecosystems so that students from same discipline can discuss. They could have same kind of book and same kind of environment they could have inside the library facility.
Right. But students from different departments can, come here. For example, student of physics can come and sit and issue these books as well. So there is no barrier. So everybody have access to everything.
Okay, so let's move to some other sections. And separate issue facility also there.
Yes, because these books are purchased from the fund of School of Education fund. So they require different separate library, and we have separate person for dedicated for this library.
Okay.
So he manages the
Well managed and
right.
thank you. So now we are moving toward
The technical section. This is also library office as well as this is acquisition section.
okay.
In this section, we have our books which come directly from the vendor. Then we process it, and then we do its technical processing,
Yes.
cataloging, and
It means
classification.
a student unable to access this book.
This area, yes.
First of all,
this area is only for the staff who is dealing with the acquisition or have to do something with the library office. So,
Right.
he is Mr. Devendra.
वेलकम नमस्ते आपका क्या कुछ काम होता है इस सेक्शन में
हमारा सर इसमें ये एसेसमेंट रजिस्टर में एंट्री करनी होती है इनकी बुकों की एक बुक की वो जो पूरी डिटेल होती है टाइटल होता है प्राइस वो इनमें एंट्री करनी होती है उसके बाद हमारा सिस्टम पे बुक की एंट्री हुई एप्लीकेशन वो होता है सर बाकी मेरा सर इसमें इसका कल्चरल वर्क भी है इधर का जो भी है
ओके इट मीन्स सारे काम के लिए अलग अलग रूम फैसिलिटी है सेपरेट सेक्शन से ताकि स्मूथली सारी चीज़ें आगे
Yes.
बढ़ सके
So
बहुत
we have step by step processing of the books. So first book come here, then it will be entered in this register, and then classification of the book, and then cataloging of the book in the computer, and then it goes for this labeling and pasting.
and all this tedious and hard work only to serve the interest of the students. Okay, very interesting. So few occasion only you could access this room. Definitely.
Then we have the reading hall. This is fully air conditioned room, having a good view, and students can sit and study here. So because of COVID, most of the students are not coming to the university, but still we have some students eager to study. On working.
Okay, could I talk with you? आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से आप MCA कब से यहाँ शुरू हुआ है फिजिकली आने अच्छा अच्छा, आप लोकल हो या हॉस्टल में रह रहे हो? अच्छा, थैंक यू। और अच्छा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया, अच्छा।
हो, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस। हेलो, आप कुछ स्टडी कर रहे हैं? कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से?
आई एम फ्रॉम सोशियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट।
अच्छा, तो क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
अभी तो मैं अपने वीडियो वगैरह सुन रहा था, लेक्चर जो
अच्छा, ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स। और वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी किस तरह की है?
काफ़ी अच्छी है।
काफ़ी अच्छी है, थैंक यू। और यहाँ पर जर्नल्स भी देख सकते हैं।
These are some of the magazines which they can access. Right now we are not subscribing magazines because of
COVID and pandemic. Thank you. And here also they have to enter.
yes, this is the entry point and every student has to make entry in the
And
register.
one thing I have noticed in each and every section, library section, they have to enter their name. Then only they could
Yes,
enter.
we need to have a record to provide better services. For example, if only 3-4 people are sitting in this, then there is no need to continue this service. Or how much time they are sitting, we need those statistics.
So this was a small review of what kind of facility we are providing in this university, specifically library facility, educational facility. Physical books are available of all the discipline, whatever we are providing in this university. Apart from that, we have e-content, e-library facility also is there. In the next section, we will discuss what kind of facility and how you could access all this facility when you are inside the campus or outside the campus for your study and better education. Okay, welcome to the technical section of Central University of Haryana Library. We all know in the pandemic or situation like the pandemic COVID-19, we all are willing to access digital content from different platforms. Keep in the mind, we'll try to provide the facility, study materials or e-journals, e-content. Let's see what kind of facility we could have, our university could give to our students, and discuss with staff members and authority who are dealing with all these digital contents. चलिए परिचय थोड़ा।
विजेंद्र सिंह।
विजेंद्र जी हमारे साथ हैं।
विजेंद्र सिंह, प्रोफेशनल असिस्टेंट लाइब्रेरी।
नरेश जी है जो कि इंटरनेशनली अपना एजुकेशन ले चुके हैं। तमाम देशों में ई कंटेंट को कैसे मैनेज की जा सकती है लाइब्रेरी में स्पेसिफिकली, वो हमें बताएंगे। हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या कुछ फैसिलिटी है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करेंगे। मैं सीधे आपको कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन को ले जाता हूँ, स्क्रीन के ऊपर। तो बताइए।
इसमें सॉफ्टवेयर है सर।
हाँ,
पोहा।
हाँ,
वह सॉफ्टवेयर है। सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर हमारी पूरी जो बीटेक अभी तक तो बीटेक की ही बुक्स जो है इसमें हमने फीड की है। तो उसमें हमारे पास मॉड्यूल्स हैं अलग अलग
जी।
सर्कुलेशन में हम बुक्स को रिटर्न एंड इश्यू करते हैं दोनों टाइम में। पैटर्न के अंदर हम जो टीचर हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ है, उसकी मेंबरशिप बनाते हैं। मेंबरशिप का है ये।
मतलब कोई भी नया स्टूडेंट आएगा तो पहले उनका मेंबरशिप
बनेगा। मेंबरशिप पैटर्न में जाएंगे।
हाँ।
तो पैटर्न के अंदर न्यू पैटर्न में हमारे पास एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, इनकी अलग अलग कैटेगरी बनाई है। कैटेगरी के अंदर ऑथराइजेशन है। ऑथराइजेशन के अंदर कितनी बुक्स हैं, कितने दिन के लिए हैं, वो 2-3 चीज़ लिमिट होती है। उसके बाद गेस्ट फैकल्टी है, लाइब्रेरी स्टाफ है, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ है, इनकी अलग अलग ऑथराइजेशन।
पोहा जो वेबसाइट है उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे। हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी के सर्वर से है या किस तरीके?
ये इंडिविजुअल सर्वर है हमारे पास।
हाँ।
इसी लाइब्रेरी का ही है, यूनिवर्सिटी में एक्सेस नहीं है उसका, सिर्फ इसी लाइब्रेरी का एक्सेस।
तो ये तो बैकडोर है, ये जैसे कि आप इन चीज़ों को मैनेज करते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ स्टूडेंट के पर्सपेक्टिव में उनको कैसे क्या कुछ किया जाता है।
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इसमें ओपेक की फैसिलिटी है। अगर वो यहाँ इसी में एक्सेस करते हैं तो उसको हमने जैसे पैटर्न है, पैटर्न में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मेंबरशिप है। तो यहाँ मेंबरशिप जब उसको एंट्री करते हैं, ये कुछ एक फील्ड है, इसको एंट्री करने के बाद फिर उसका अपना ओपेक कहा जाता है।
अकाउंट क्रिएट
अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाता है ओपेक में। ओपेक का मतलब है वो सर्च कर सकते हैं कौन सी बुक्स यहाँ पर हैं कौन सी नहीं है। अपना इंडिविजुअल उसका यूजर नेम ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट होता है इसके अंदर।
तो ये अगर कोई बच्चों को करना है अपना अकाउंट तो यहाँ आके करना
हाँ, हमें
पड़ेगा?
देना हमें देते हैं सर। और यहाँ आके ये ऑनलाइन है,
ऑनलाइन है।
जैसे ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
हाँ।
ये गूगल फॉर्म बनाया हुआ है।
हाँ।
इस गूगल फॉर्म के अंदर ये कुछ कॉलम है,
तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके पास आ जाता है, बैकडोर में आप इसको एंट्री कर देते
एंट्री
हैं।
कर देते हैं।
उसके बाद वो कैसे एक्सेस कर सकते हैं चीज़ें? वंस उनके पास पासवर्ड और
यूजर नेम
यूजरनेम हो गया, उसके बाद किस तरह की सर्च
यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड उसके पास
जनरेट
उसको
होगा?
हाँ उसको ईमेल चला जाता है।
हाँ, हाँ।
तो यहाँ पर जैसे मैं किसी का आपको निकाल के बताता हूँ।
पहले ही वेबसाइट को आपको जाना पड़ेगा ना, कहाँ से मिलेगा ये पोहा वेबसाइट, या हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट में लिंक है?
नहीं,
नहीं, ये जो कोहा है वो कोहा लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर है
अच्छा अच्छा
और ये इंटरनली लाइब्रेरी स्टाफ द्वारा यूज होता है।
अच्छा।
और वो जितनी भी हमारी प्रोसेसेस हैं, टेक्निकल प्रोसेसेस हैं और सर्विसेज हैं,
हाँ।
उन सारी लाइब्रेरी की प्रोसेसेस को मैनेज करने के लिए ये सॉफ्टवेयर है। इस सॉफ्टवेयर से हम सभी स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स का यहाँ रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं, उनको मेंबर बनाते हैं, जितनी बुक्स हैं उनकी एंट्री करते हैं, उनका पूरा रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं और
मतलब
उनका इश्यू रिटर्न
फिजिकल बुक्स है, ये मटेरियल है, सारा रिकॉर्ड मैनेज किया जाता है।
हाँ।
कितने बुक्स है, कितने इशू किया गया, ये सारे रिकॉर्ड
सारा रिकॉर्ड होता है।
बहुत अच्छा।
और इसी का दूसरा वर्जन है, मीन्स ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी कैटलॉग है, वो सभी स्टूडेंट्स को और जो फैकल्टी है और जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं इस लाइब्रेरी के उसको एक्सेसिबल है। तो वो हम अभी देख सकते हैं। 8001 लिखना, एक नया ऐड करके
1 0
आगे चल दिया
1 0 डॉट
8001 कर दिया।
ये होगा।
नहीं, ऊपर 8001। ये है।
तो ये बच्चों को एक्सेस मिलेगा?
Yes।
तो यहाँ पर ये सर्च कर सकते हैं मेरे ख्याल
ये
से।
हाँ, कोई भी बुक यहाँ पे,
जैसे कि हम मास कम्युनिकेशन बुक, सिंपली इंट्रोडक्शन टू मास कम्युनिकेशन या मास कम्युनिकेशन
नहीं,
ये मास की तो नहीं है।
ये लाइक
ये बीटेक की बुक्स है। तो इंजीनियरिंग अगर आप डालेंगे, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, उससे रिलेटेड सारी बुक्स यहाँ पर आ जाएंगी।
एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, ये सारी बुक्स है। इसका जो पिक्चर है वो भी आती है।
तो यहाँ पर वो अपना देख सकते हैं कि ये है कि नहीं है।
हाँ, ये पूरा
अवेलेबल है या नहीं है
हाँ।
वो भी।
एक बार देखने के बाद वो स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा?
उसको फिर रिटर्न हमारे पास इश्यू कराने के लिए उसको आना
आ
पड़ेगा।
सकता है।
मतलब
उसको
यहाँ पे
अवेलेबिलिटी पता चलेगा, अपने रूम में भी कहीं पर भी बैठे हुए अवेलेबिलिटी देख सकता है कि इस लाइब्रेरी में है कि नहीं।
और यहाँ जो नंबर है, इसमें कोई स्पेसिफिक नंबर है क्या बुक को, या किस तरह से पता चलता है? ये सारे नंबर है शायद मेरे ख्याल से।
हाँ,
ये एक्सेस नंबर है।
जो हमारी बुक्स होती हैं वो हम उनको प्लेस करते हैं डीडीसी के हिसाब से, डीबी डेसिमल क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम। वो एक नंबरिंग सिस्टम है जिसके थ्रू सब्जेक्ट, हर सब्जेक्ट को एक नंबर दिया जाता है, उसी हिसाब से फिर हम वो अरेंज करते हैं।
इसमें ये बताता है यहाँ पर कि ये कॉल नंबर की 7 बुक्स हैं और चेकड आउट 3 हैं। तो 3 चेकड आउट है, 3 इशूड है किसी बच्चे को और बाकी अवेलेबल है।
जो 4 बुक्स हैं वो अवेलेबल हैं हमारे स्टैक पे। तो 4 बुक्स
जैसे इसमें जो सेकंड बुक है इसके अंदर 5 अवेलेबल हैं और कोई इशू नहीं है।
एक क्लिक कर पूरा देखना।
ये वाला
हाँ, तो ये पूरा रिकॉर्ड है
इसकी
उस बुक का।
डिस्क्रिप्शन है पूरी।
तो ये हो गया जितने भी हमारा फिजिकल बुक
ये है पूरी।
हाँ,
इसमें
ये
लाइब्रेरी
पूरा
के
इसमें
अंदर
स्टेटस दिखाएगा, ड्यू डेट, बारकोड नंबर, कौन सी लोकेशन है।
ये चेकड आउट की डेट भी है इसमें, चेकड आउट कब इशू किया गया।
तो बच्चे फॉर एग्जांपल 7 बच्चे एक साथ आना चाहते हैं एक ही क्लास के, तो वो ये देख सकते हैं कि इस डेट को वो बुक रिटर्न होने वाली है।
ये तो हो गया फिजिकल बुक्स जो भी अवेलेबल
हाँ।
है। इसके अलावा जैसे कि वेबसाइट में हमारा भी लिंक है ई कंटेंट को एक्सेस
हाँ।
करने की, उस तरह की कुछ फैसिलिटीज है ई जर्नल्स का किस तरह
हाँ वो भी है, लेकिन हमारे पास अभी यहाँ इस लाइब्रेरी में नहीं है। ठीक है, बताओ
एक और खोलना पड़ेगा।
ये बताइए।
So the entire library divided into different section per different discipline like engineering. We have a different section of library. Let's meet with Naresh ji and visit other section of library departments. Namaste.
Sir, namaskar. Welcome to the library.
Thank you. So let's visualize or try to understand what kind of facility we are providing in the Central University of Haryana Library.
Sure.
Please, sir.
I'll show you the whole library. So this is the entry point.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Your hands are being sanitized.
Okay.
Your entry is being made.
Thank you. Where you have to mention timing, please.
3:33.
3:20. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I can keep my bag here.
Yes. This is property counter.
Yes.
We also make your entry in the digital form.
Yes.
Once it is done here.
Thank you.
Then this is our section in which we keep magazines, and this is also the Swayam Prabha.
How many channel student could access from this?
Basically, we have 32 channels, 32 educational channels, which are shown free of cost by the Ministry of Education, and all students can come and sit here.
And I can see there are also magazine section they could access. Please.
These are some of the magazines which we subscribe.
Thank you. Let's explore some other facility.
Sure.
So many informations in notice.
Yes, so these are basic information which students while waiting they can read and have some sort of knowledge. So this is the
Diagram.
architectural diagram of the whole these four buildings.
And how we could reach to this Central University
You
Library?
can see that top building is there, and on the third top floor we have our library.
Okay. So where is our main gate?
Here it is.
Okay. They have to come through this gate
And they can go directly and then they come from there.
Okay, fine. Very good.
So this is the reading hall, and this is our orientation room where we orient our students. So these all are BTech students. We have 4 BTech courses.
And here you could see we
These
also
are the rules and
Wi-Fi
regulations
facility.
in Hindi as well as in English.
Okay.
So all the students need
Inside the library they can access Wi-Fi facility also.
Sure, it's the whole campus is fully Wi-Fi.
Thank you.
So those are the reading hall rooms. You
Okay.
can see from the picture.
Let me go a little bit closer so that you could know better way. So one can see reading halls are there. Entry is important. And silence, please, definitely. Okay. You must have a dream, and therefore you have to read. Yes.
We can go through that.
Yes. Thank you. Please.
So this is the big screen which we use to show different courses, or we can orient the students. And rest of the time, the good thoughts are visualized.
Yes. Thank you. Another section.
So this is our whole circulation area, and that is stack area.
Okay. And all the books are separated.
Yes, they are arranged in subject wise. So you can see computer science, engineering books here, and then we can have electrical engineering.
New student can easily access and understand where they would
Yes.
get their own books.
Right, and we also have this chart. Where is my book?
Interesting.
see.
So how they could find from this chart?
So these are the rack numbers.
Okay.
So these are the racks, and then they have the subject. Computer science is having class number 001 to 005. So they can directly go to the rack number 1.
Okay.
If
For,
they are-
for any new student, it will not be difficult to find their own book. First of all, they have to find out that from section where they
Yes.
could find their books.
Yes. So these are the some of the categories. For example, students
Okay.
can access 4 books for
Okay.
15
It means
days.
there is a limitation.
Yes.
Instantly, they could have 4 books, then they have to return it, and again
Then
they can access.
issue.
Okay.
Otherwise, they have to pay fine.
Okay.
So it is also mentioned there.
Could you explain it how they have to
So
follow?
the circulation timing is from 9:30 to 5 p.m.
Yes.
and they need to show their ID cards to get issued the books. And books are being issued only to the members of the library.
Okay.
They need to be the bona fide members of this library.
Okay.
And these are the 4 books they can avail for 15 days, and then they can return and then get
Okay.
it back.
What about online library
Yes,
catalog?
we have online library catalog which can be easily accessible from anywhere, anytime, and they can check the availability of books, whether it is available on stack or whether it is issued by someone.
Okay.
They can even reserve, and we also have interlibrary loan service
Mhm.
through which they can demand a book which is not available in our library.
Okay.
So these are some of the new arrivals which we keep here.
Okay, new books are there.
Yes.
Okay.
So it keep on changing.
Okay.
Once we receive new books, it will be.
And definitely, student will be excited to see what kind of books are there in
Yes.
this track.
Right. On online library catalog also we present the
Yes.
new arrivals.
Acha. We'll see in your computer after
Right.
visiting.
So these
all.
are the books of civil
Civil
engineering. So you can see number of copies are available for
Okay.
students.
Whenever somebody come to one section, how they could find their own books? There are a series of books are there.
Right.
How they could identify the numbers?
For example, for civil engineering, it's 624
600
number.
Yes.
So they need to take it out, and it will be taken to the circulation counter, and it will be issued to their name.
And they could keep it for 15 days.
15 days.
Okay.
So here we have an interesting thing. So this is the periodical printing and packaging technology
Yes, sir.
section. So if you come through that way,
Yes, sir.
so we have this section. This is for competitive exam books. So all we have tried to give have a good collection of competitive exam books.
So meanwhile, we get opportunity to talk with head of the library.
As far as plan is concerned, certainly we want to increase the number of online resources because there is a demand for that, and that also come to save us in the time of situations like pandemic. So anyway, we want to add more number of resources, and as well as we want to increase the number of training programs. That is very, very important. Mere having resources is not important. How to access them, how to use them is important. And the third thing is that human connection is very, very important, and this is what we want to build. That when we conducted the courses with the students, we understood that they are very much keen to get guidance from the library staffs, and that's a really a good or a positive development. And this is what we realized, that okay, we need to be in touch with the students through these kind of activities, extension activities. That could be the USP of the library.
In the website, you could see there are so many information related to Central Library. There are separate segment for online resources and Indian Research Information Network Systems, Library 1, Library 2. There is another option for Central Library membership forms available and Library 2 membership form available. There are two Library 1 and Library 2. So here you could, if you click over online resources, you could find so already available here, where you could collect e-content, e-books, e-resources are there. There are so many e-learning portals are there, where you could access your both audio video content and PDF copy. You could get journals, e-lectures you could find, and so many subscriptions are there for student of Central University of Haryana. From one place, in one place you could find everything. So also you could get other information related to library. Here you could see for faculty related to their publications, other information you could get. And there are two different library. You could here you could fill your form, provide related informations, and you could register yourself in library of Central University of Haryana. It is available both in online format and in offline format. So there are two different segments, Library 1 and Library 2. You could get all the necessary services, informations, and here also you could find whether a book available in the library or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you want to know about any other topic or any other department or discipline, please comment so that we could create more content as per your interest or need. Thank you. Have a nice day.